Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel and to another coffee video with me. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make the Peppermint Mocha cold brew. So the first thing you're going to need is obviously some cold brew. And then you're going to need a milk or creamer of your choice. I choose sweet and creamy like always. A frothing machine, some chocolate syrup, some peppermint extract, some crushed up peppermints or peppermint candy cane. And then the first thing you're going to do is add your milk or creamer to your frother. Then you're going to follow that up with your chocolate sauce. Then you're going to add in a little bit of peppermint extract. And when I say a little bit, I mean a little bit because it goes a very long way. And then add in some of your crushed up peppermints. And then froth that bad boy up. And then after it's done frothing, you're going to go ahead and get your cold brew ready. As you can see here, I melted some chocolate and rimmed my cup with it, and then rolled it in some of those crushed up peppermints. And then I'm putting my cold brew in the cup. And I'm topping it with that delicious cold foam, which is going to slowly sink into your coffee, which is going to incorporate that flavor throughout your coffee. I'm going to sprinkle on just a couple more of the peppermint pieces. And there you guys have it. That's the Peppermint Mocha cold brew. If you guys like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't already. Let me know down below if you give this recipe a try and what else you guys would like to see in the future. Thank you.